RDB Remitly, SG Home Loans, Swish Mortgage, Skill Log, and of course, Health Cover Australia. Someone's calling.
Ano, mag-picture ka ba?
Ha?
Ako nag-picture? Ano, ikaw mag-mic. Gusto mo yan ha. Picture ka muna bago ilipat mo muna to. Huwag mo nasundan kasi yung ano, player. Susundan mo pa yung player eh. Ilipat mo, ganun mo lang oh. Ganun mo lang. O, tapos saka ka mag-score. Tapos saka ka bumalik kung gusto mo. Huwag mag-blend. Susundan mo. Ilipat mo to ah. Nagalit.
Uy, akin na yung bit.
Picture ako. Oras.
Power for three, no good. Rebound. Una na Mighty Finance. Kuya Chris. Get lang yung ball. Together ng press. Bang, bang. Kuya Ronson. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Albert. 12 to shoot. Harold. Pass to the right side. Binigay kay Abroad. 8 seconds to shoot. Abroad, wala. Rebound by Kuya Dukes. Mighty Finance. Kuya Louie. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Abroad. Kuya Ronson. Brock, pass to Kuya Peter. Pass to Albert, Sumao. 8 to shoot. Harold, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Pero may foul. Foul number 33. Kuya Peter, first personal, first team foul. Empa, pass to Kuya Chris. Ang section, tinigay kay Jerome. Wala ka, wala. Pero may foul. On number 7, first personal, second team foul. Jerome, pass to Concepcion. Tumira ng 3. Basket. Harold, pass to Ronson. Ronson, tumira, wala. Rebound by Mighty Finance.
24 pa rin nakashoot, di ba? Kanina. Sino ba? First
Foul
power?
number 18.
First.
First personal, third team foul for Swish Mortgage. Beto, pass to the Chris Concepcion. Nakita si Kuya Louie, wala. Pero may foul on number 7, second personal. Running for penalty na po ang Swiss Mortgage. 2 shots for Kuya Louie. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. Ronson pass to Harold. Pass to Kuya Peter. 10 to shoot. Albert, tumira on the side. Basket for Albert to go. Ito si Kuya Jerome. Binigay kay Kuya Joy. Pero may foul. Foul number 18. Penalty.
Second thing.
Second personal foul on Albert. 2 shots for Kuya Dukes. First shot no good.
Stuart. Submit.
Second shot is good. Submits. Clear outside, dribbling the ball. Pass to target. Pass to Ronson. Back to abroad. Dribbling the ball.
25 players. Eh, 26 lang, 26. 26 na diba? No, 20.
Clear the round for 2 points. Alfred.
Pero bawal magreklamo dito. Bawal magreklamo. Bawal yan.
Kuya Peter. Kuya Peter, no good, rebound. Nakapag Kuya Peter, pass to Ronson. Wala, pero block. May foul number 13. First personal, first team foul. Substitution. First shot, no good for Kuya Ronson. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Jerome. Kuya Chris, dribbling the ball. Nakita si 3-4. Wala. Abroad, tumira ng press. Good. Mighty finals ball. Kuya Chris, dribbling pass to Jerome. Jerome tumira sa gilid, wala. Rebound by Kelvin. 3-1-2, Kelvin. No good. Rebound by Alvin, pinigay kay Jerome. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Jerome ang bola. Pass to Kuya Chris. Pinigay kay Kuya Dons. 2 points. Kelvin, pass to Alvin. 14 to shoot. Alvin. Pass to Abroad. Abroad, tumira. 2 points. Kuya Chris, agad ang papasana. Pinasa kay Clifford. Clifford, dribbling the ball. Tumira. Masyad malakas. Rebound by Abroad. Gonzalez, 2 points. Kuya Chris, binigay kay Kuya Boots. Kuya Boots sa loob. 2 points. Alvin, dribbling the ball. Pass to Joe. Kuya to Abroad. Abroad, tumira ng press. Masyado mainit. Kuya Chris, pinasa. Nakuha niya Abroad. Kuya Ronson, binigay kay Joe. Binalik kay Ronson. No good, pero may foul number 10. Substitution.
May birthday yan ako. Bakit? Birthday niya?
First shot no good for Kuya Ronson.
Parang hindi makalinga pag walang bet. Ano rin na rin bet.
Second shot is good for Kuya Ronson. Finally.
Maglalaro, pinasahan akong bola.
Swish ball. Shot. Pass to Abroad. Abroad. Balik ng Kuya Chris, bumawi ng 3, wala. Rebound kay Louie, pero naaga ng swish. Abroad nila. Binigay kay MGS. All na po tayong all 32 official score. 24 seconds remaining. 12 to shoot. Kuya Chris, binigay kay Jerome. Kahit at sa Clifford sa gilid, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Kelvin. 4 seconds. Short. End of the first half. Official score. All 32. Swish ball. Binigay kay Gonzalez, wala. Nakuha ng Mighty Finance. Kuya Chris, Tumira, wala. Rebound ni Mark Eric, 2 Kelvin, ganda pa kasama pinigay kay Abroad. Abroad, tingin na naman ng 3, wala. Rebound ni Beto. Diretso, binigay kay Kuya J-Mac, pass to Mark Eric. No good, rebound by Beto, pass to Salile. Salile for 3, no good. Rebound by J-Mac, pass to Concepcion. Timeout! Switch mortgages.
Go, pre.
Feeling.
Anong tinidor?
Reklamo ka doon na nagbigay. Kulang.
Tama ba, Jason?
Back to the ball game. Kelvin. Abroad. Binigay kay sa gilid kay Harold. 2 points. Kuya Chris, binigay mo. Bento. Stepping on the line, Swish Mortgage ball.
Sarap.
Foul number 12.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Harold pass to Nongju to MGS. Nice pass by Nongju. Isa na lang ulit ang matang ng Mighty Finance. Steal by Harold.
May trabaho mo yan. Nag-close lang naman yata.
Diretso.
Happy birthday. Bilatan mo.
Basket may kasama pang foul. Foul number 14.
Meron nga din yung daan si ano, PDR na naman eh.
14? First.
First personal, second team foul. Bonus shot for Harold.
Ano trabaho?
Bonus shot for George, rebound by Mark Eric. Mighty Finance ball. Chris Salillo for three. No good. Rebound by Bento. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Howard. Nakuha ni Bola. Nakuha ulit ng Mighty Finance. Nakuha ulit ng Swish. Abroad. Dribbling the ball. So to shoot. Abroad. Tumira. Wala. Yamak na po ang Swish Mortgage ng tatlo. Chris, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni MGS. MGS. Long June. Tumira on the side. 2 points. 5-point lead by Swish. Jayla. Substitution.
Doon nakabuhay si Sid eh. Na-injury si Rainer sa kabila. Na-injury si Rainer sa kabila. Si Sid ang nag-alala. Kalaban siya.
Kuya Chris, binigay ang check Kuya Chris din. Tumira, wala. Rebound ni Kuya Jude. Tumira na Chris, wala. Harold. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Kelvin. Back to Harold. Bigay kay Longjun. Longjun tumira on the side. Wala. Rebound by Chris Salile. Pass to Chris Concepcion. Bigay kay Bedun. Pass to Beto. 2 points.
Bali yan naman.
Joe. Pass to Kelvin. Kelvin dribbling the ball. Pass to Joe.
Second.
4 seconds to shoot. Double offensive finance. Pass to Bentong. 2 points. Sa dalawang lamang ng Swish. Joe, pass to Kelvin. Pass to Longjun. Binigay kay Abroad. Abroad versus Mike Eric. Foul number 12, Chris Salile, second personal, third team foul. Substitution ref. 2 shots for Abroad. First shot is good.
Umuya pa ng malabog eh.
Second shot is good. Rebound by Kuya Peter. Pass to Abroad. Foul number 35. First personal, warning for penalty. Mighty Finance.
40 seconds.
14 second shot clock. Pass to Joe. 12 to shoot. Ako ni Kuya Chris Salile. Dumiretso. Binigay kay Beto. Ako ni Velasco. Wala. Pero may foul on Joe. Foul number 12.
First.
First personal, first team foul. First shot is good.
Nag-check na si Banang ano, Red Horse.
Second shot is good. Rock. To Harold. Harold to Joe. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound Mighty Finance. Mark Duke. Inalik kay Mark Eric. Tumira. Wala. Pero rebound pa rin niya.
point, 2
2
point.
points by Derek Ramsey. Get out, Derek Ramsey abroad. Chris Salile, 3 points. Lamang na po ng isa ulit ng Mighty Finals. Arrow, dribbling the ball. And to shoot. 7 seconds. Arrow, tumira. Wala, rebound niya abroad. 2 points. And the third quarter official score.
47, 46.
47-46 in favor of Swiss Mortgage. Alvin, abroad. Tumira ng press. Gumaganda ng laban. Derek Ramsey. Okay, nakita si Kuya Louie. Pagkanon. Kelvin. Pass to Joe.
8 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot. Alvin for 3. Basket.
Grabe!
Kanagay mga players natin ngayon. Kuya Chris. Tumira ng Chris. Wala. Di mo yung Eric. Wala. Pero may foul on abroad.
First.
First personal, first team foul.
Na-shoot, no?
53. Plus 50.
Uno shot. Uno shot, wala. Nakon ang prep. Wala, nakon. Alvin, pero nakon ni Kuya Chris. Kuya Chris, wala, pero may foul.
Rico, Rico, gusto mo nga.
16
Dapat
ulit.
ka lang onte.
16 ulit.
Who's foul ref?
Second.
Second personal, second team foul. First shot go good. Second shot is good. For Kuya Chris, that's a shot. Loretta passes to Alvin. 14 to shoot, abroad. Tumira, wala. Nakawa dito, pero nakaagaw pa rin ni Kuya Chris ang bola. Up. Pero pinasa na ang 2 points. Ay, nakawala ang ating score. 53. Loretta. Pass to Alvin.
9 seconds.
8 to shoot. Drop, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Mark Eric. Pass to Chris Salile. Salile, nakita si Kuya Chris. Pass to Kuya Chris once and shot. 12 to shoot. Kuya Chris. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Chris Salile. To Kuya Louie. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Abroad. Kelvin, de derecho. 2 points.
Ball, Kel!
Kuya Chris. Diretso. Basket, may kasama ng foul.
16.
Third.
Foul number 16, third personal foul. Third, team foul. Players, please stop with your shirts.
Baka pauwi na ako nun.
Buenos Aires Cruz, lamang na pangalan ng Mighty Finance. Harold. Go to shoot. Pass to Joe.
Huwag ka na pumunta.
MGS. 5 seconds to shoot. MGS block. To the face position. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Pedro. Wala pa rin kay foul on Kelvin.
Sino yun? Second.
Second personal foul. Warning na to for penalty. Ang Swish. 2 shots for Clear Boots.
Ready na kayo manalo? Ha? Ready na manalo?
Ay, pinakamalakas sa team eh. Talo.
Good. Second shot is good. Good pass to Kelvin. Kelvin, pass to Harold. Wala. Balik kay Jerome Mola. Pass to Chris Salile. Salile dumang section. Tumira ng press. Set. 5 na ulit ang lamang ng Mighty Finance.
Win! 3 points mo na!
Wow. Pass to abroad.
Second.
Second personal foul. First team foul for Mighty Finance. 12 to shoot. MGS to Kelvin. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Jerome Velasco. On Eric pass to Chris Concepcion. Binigay kay Kuya Chris Salile. Kuya Chris, tumira ng Chris. Pass set.
Swish.
Sino ba next game?
SP at saka...
Amy ba o RRR? Andiyan yung RRR eh.
SP pala na last game yata, ba? Nakita ko kasi si Kuya na eh, Joby. Kala ko na.
Rico, ako mag-announce. Magsa-stop time ako eh.
Penalty na kami kagad. Wala man.
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang ako.
Penalty na sila.
Blue ball. Sales, pinigyan number 8. Number 8, next slide. Still by Kuya Dud. Kuya Dud. Diretso, kamadali. Slide step. 20 seconds to shoot. Kuya, please. Pinigyan kay Jerome. Easy basket by Kuya Dud. Number 14. Mamadali. Ni Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Abroad. Sales. Ni Kuya Jun. Easy basket by Kuya Jun. Again by Abroad. Abroad for 3. Bang! 3 points by Abroad. Scoreboard 65-60 in favor of Mighty Finance. Mark Eric. Kay Jerome. Mark Eric. Time to shoot. By Mix. Mix, diretso. Mamadali. Wow! By Jerome. 2 shots. I'm out. Mighty Finance.
Sino may ball, pre?
Jerome. 41.
First lang.
Jerome, first personal foul. Second team foul. So po natin 65-60 in favor of Mighty Finance.
Foul ba? 15 lang yan.
Nakuha nila yung rebound.
Two shots by Mix.
Wala.
Isa
Oo,
na.
pag nag-foul kayo, kabila.
First goal, no good. Second shot, wala pa rin. Actually, wala pa Eric. Kuya Peng. Jerome, power move. Easy basket by Jerome. Kuya Jude. Kaya napapasahan, higiging Mix. Mix, steal by Sabine. Jerome. Sumira. By Saul. Number 8.
Penalty na.
Number 8, first personal foul. Help. Bonus foul. Bonus throw, wala. Simulan niya bro. Score natin, 69-60. 9-point lead by Mighty Finance. El Rosario for 3. Wala. Kuya Dudes, wala. Time remaining. 35 seconds. Time remaining. 29 seconds. Salilo for 3. Wala. Gonzalez for 3. Wala pa rin. Bang! 3 points by Abroad. Official score 69-63. Win by Mighty Finance.